Thanks to the high quality lenses in most modern smartphones nowadays, capturing video can provide near professional results, and if you want to capture good audio to go alongside, then this could be exactly what you need: the Ulanzi J12 dual wireless microphones. Inside the package, alongside a short user manual, we find the main charging case itself. Matte black in colour and constructed primarily of plastic, it's a nice compact size and feels perfectly robust and sturdy in the hand. On the bottom we find a USB Type-C port, used for charging the built-in 800mAh battery using the charging cable supplied within the package, and a single charging status LED to one side. Otherwise, there's not much more to see here. Open the top lid and we are presented with the two transmitters, both with status LED indicators showing they're charging away, as well as a single receiver. Sticking with the receiver for a moment, it's a very small and lightweight device, with only a single connector on one side. Of course, this one being the Lightning version for the iPhone. So with this connected to the bottom of your iPhone, you're pretty much set to go. No special apps to install, and no other settings to change. Bear in mind the receiver has no built-in battery, so it will draw a small amount of power from the smartphone to operate, although the clever design actually incorporates a lightning pass-through port on one side, meaning you're able to connect an external charging device directly to it and charge the iPhone as normal while in use. Moving on to the transmitters, these are also small and incredibly lightweight. Plastic in construction, we have the microphone itself at the very top, a linking button to one side, although they do come paired out of the box, and a USB-C port on the other, handy for charging if the case isn't nearby. Talking of charging, the charging point is located on the bottom, which interfaces with the pins within the charging case. So every time the transmitters are inserted into the case, they'll silently charge in the background. Otherwise, we find a clip on the rear for attaching to your subject. Each transmitter incorporates a built-in 80mAh battery, which doesn't sound like much, but is enough to keep it powered for around 6 to 7 hours of usage. And considering the charging case packs 800mAh of power, that's enough to recharge these up to 5 times over. So you're easily good for an entire day, maybe more, of audio capture. So on to an audio test of the Ulanzi J12 microphone, which is clipped to my shirt just here at chest level. Now, Ulanzi do claim 360-degree surround sound audio capture, and for the most part, the audio captured is crisp and clear. It does really work quite well. Now, it's not really suited for outdoor use. You've got no furry windscreen to cut down on any wind noise whatsoever. Also, it's limited to around 65 feet, 20 meters of range, which isn't a huge distance really. So it's more suited for indoor vlogging style use or indoor interview type scenarios where it really does work quite well. Now, one annoying aspect though is this power light on the front of the microphone. Now, you get that in your shot and it really does get quite annoying, so you might want to mount the microphone the other way round so it's facing towards your chest, just so you don't get that power light in your shot. But otherwise it seems to work really quite well. In essence, while there are clearly better dual wireless microphone options out there, none are as budget friendly as this. They do the job just fine as long as you're not venturing too far from your handset, that is. So for a close quarters interview or vlogging style scenario, they'll work rather well, as long as you clearly don't expect too much.